Oh, hey, hello everyone. This is a new video of me playing this amazing game called uh, um it's called Fishing something. It's an amazing game, top tier game. It's like a mix between Grow Garden and Fish. Like you got the fish. What did you expect? Yeah, you got the fish, and then you got the Grow Garden brain rot. Which Grow Garden brain rot is elite tier. Elite tier. Oh, look at that. So good at this game already. Yeah, I've been playing for a bit. If that does, I guess, offend people, I have been playing the game for a bit. I was not going to start playing the game when the video started, but, you know. Try to show everyone the game. Elite game. No sponsors, no sponsors. I'm definitely not sponsoring this game at all. So pretty much what you do is you fish. Well, you don't fish, but you know, other random NPCs fish. The bots fish. There's no clankers in this game as well. That is a good thing. There's no clankers in this game. You know, and everyone hates it when there's clankers in the game. But you know, it can get addictive if you do like Grow Garden. Yeah, if you do like Grow Garden, I guess this is a game. I hate fishing. I don't want to do fishing. That you know. Still play it anyways. Yeah, you've got like loads of different stuff. It's a good layout of a game. I like the game's concept. It's a good game's concept. Like, there's still like, yeah, it's still Grow Garden like, weather events. Don't know if they do like ambient abuse like Grow Garden. I'm not playing for that long. I just wanted to make a new video, you know. Not many of my videos have been not really been a bit consistent. Honestly, I started to get a bit consistent now. Felt bored as well, you know. What's better than... Actually, I want to try... Wait, I want to see something. Come on, kayaks. Yeah, so how you pick it up. And they can also get the mutations as well. That's nice. Yeah, they all have different names. I don't know, it's just different to go on in, you know. It's not just... Look, for example, that. He's just got the frozen mutation. All three of them have gotten the frozen mutation. Which, I don't know what it does. I think it gives a higher chance. It's like mutating, I think it's like mutating, what's it called? Trees in the game. Well, I don't think you can do that. I know you can do it, but like, not like... The hell? Oh wait, now I unlocked all this. Which, that means now I have more space, which I'm just gonna put these two kayaks in. Yeah, so I don't know how this... Right, let's see. Okay, this doesn't have the frozen mutation. Oh yeah, look, it gives frozen mutations to other, I guess, other, oh god, yeah, I'm not really doing a talking one. I hope this works. Yeah, so the better the thingy, also the better the amounts of fish. And what you... Oh, I can rebirth. Look at that. Look at that. I can rebirth. Now I've unlocked more stuff. Like the blue tide, the bait dropper, the spearfisher. Spearfisher Dax looks cool. I'm gonna say that. No, there's a clanker. Oh, I was wrong. I was wrong, guys. Sorry, I was wrong. There's clankers in this game. There are so many clankers in this game because no, look. All these ones have clankers. No, now there's clankers. You know, you always have to have a game dealing with clankers. Right. So that's just me showing you a game. There's no really else to say. No, it's not how you start. You start off with 30. I think when you level up as well, you get more room. So you see, 9 Robux. No, when you've just started, not worth it. So yeah, that's the whole entire game. Yeah.